Hi everyone, I am Saloni Dash, a second year PhD student at the Information School at the University of Washington. Today I will be presenting our paper, Decoding the Playbook, Multimodal Characterization of Coordinated Influence Operations on Indian Social Media. In 2021, almost 70,000 tweets utilizing the hashtag anti-Hindu CA riots, relating to the divisive issue of the Citizenship Amendment Act in India, were posted in a single day on Twitter. We can see that the majority of the tweets were posted within 4 hours. Consequently, Mohammed Zubair, an Indian journalist and co-founder of the fact-checking website Alt News, accused right-wing Bharatiya Janata Party members of amplifying propaganda through a coordinated hashtag campaign for the hashtag anti-Hindu CA riots. The tweet thread also contains screenshots of how the operation was organized online, with campaign content arranged in document folders labeled as tweet sample, poster, etc. Additionally, a closely related study on trend manipulation campaigns organized by BJP supporters showed how volunteers during the 2019 Indian elections received instruction to tweet large volumes of messages from alleged tweet banks. The authors also found evidence for image banks, which campaign organizers distributed through WhatsApp groups. Taking cues from this, we argue that influence operations are organized across different modalities of coordination. Most studies on information operations focus on analyzing a single modality, such as hashtags, retweets, and URLs, with the added constraint of synchronicity. In contrast, we propose a multimodal characterization of coordination across 4 different modalities of posting similar tweets, retweeting the same accounts, sharing the same set of images, or any retweeting or tweeting activities in overlapping temporal windows. We construct a similarity network for each of the modalities, where we draw an edge between 2 accounts based on the cosine similarity measured over that particular modality. After constructing the coordination graphs for each modality, we identify coordinated communities using the Louvain community detection algorithm. We then analyze the coordinated communities across each of the modalities. We conduct this analysis across 3 well-documented divisive issues that featured a high degree of social media-based messaging: the CAA protests, the Tablighi Jamaat congregation during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the farmers' protests. For the sake of this presentation, we will focus on the anti-Hindu CAA riots. We then ask the following research question: do each of the modalities afford distinct strategies for the dissemination and amplification of influence operations? Briefly, we find that tweet coordination aids in trending the campaign hashtag and increasing its visibility, while retweet coordination amplifies campaign messaging of influential right-wing allied accounts. Image coordination affords engagement with toxic visuals, and temporal coordination helps in organizing and deploying the operation strategies across modalities. Thank you for your time.